Hello, this is Online Cues. In this video, I am showing you how you can delete your Vero account. First, launch Vero app. Then tap on the hamburger button for menu option. Tap Settings. Then tap Account Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Then tap Delete Account. Toggle the Enable Delete button on. Now tap Delete Account. Select Yes to delete your Vero account permanently. If you just want to make your Vero account private, then there are some tweaks you can make. Tap Privacy Settings and disable all the three options. Now go to Calls, and select Close Friends so that no one other than your close friends can make a call with you. You can even block people if you want. Thanks for watching.